RoGator continues to be the industry leader in drive system technology. The C-Series still uses the same groundbreaking method developed 20 years ago, but now it's even better, using new innovations. The RoGator has used a TANDEM HYDROSTAT cross-drive system since 1997. This technology was the first of its kind, providing a four-wheel drive system that was able to provide superior traction in all conditions. Advances in hydrostats have now resulted in a new all-wheel drive system in the RoGator C-Series, which once again leads the industry. Now a single hydrostat sends flow to all four variable displacement motors equally. This means the system will infinitely vary the flow at each corner to match conditions and maximize traction. By using a single hydrostat in place of the tandem, the C-Series hydraulics use horsepower much more efficiently, which helps in reducing overall drive pressure. This lower drive pressure means that hydraulic heating is minimized and fuel consumption is reduced. If one or multiple wheels break loose due to muddy conditions or a large hill, speed sensors in the wheels will transmit the information to the electronic control unit, or ECU. The ECU tells the motors that are slipping to adjust in order to slow rotation and direct more flow to the remaining motors to maintain all-wheel drive. Flow is sent back to the slipping motors to retest for traction. If there's no traction, the flow is again redirected to keep the machine moving. Once there's traction, flow and pressure are equalized for matching power distribution. For increased traction and reduced crop disturbance while turning, the C-Series drive system uses turn compensation. As the operator turns the steering wheel, a sensor notifies the ECU of the new position. The ECU then tells the inside motors to turn slower and the outside motors to turn faster. This means that the C-Series will not dig, but actually turn around corners. The reduction in crop disturbance improves yield and makes harvest easier, leaving fewer tracks on the headlands. This is important because of the number of turns a machine will make in its lifetime. And compared to the B-Series and the competition, the C-Series won't throw dirt as far or leave as deep a rut in the field when turning. The C-Series can be slowed or stopped using two different braking operations. The simplest way is to use the joystick on the armrest. By pulling back on the joystick, it will hydrostatically decelerate the machine to the desired speed. The operator can customize the drive system to their own style and comfort. If more aggressive braking is needed, both acceleration and deceleration can be increased or decreased. Increasing either of these settings makes the joystick more responsive to small movements. Decreasing these settings makes the joystick less sensitive, and larger movements may be needed to achieve the desired reaction. The second way to slow or stop the machine is by using the brake pedal. A light press of the pedal will allow the operator to slow the machine down to cross waterways or washouts, leaving their hands free for other functions. If braking force increases and weight transfer moves further forward, the risk to lock up wheels becomes greater. That's why the C-Series has a sophisticated anti-lock braking system. The ECU monitors the speed sensors. If it sees 0 RPM, it will modulate the motors, allowing the wheel to continue to spin while reducing the risk of skidding. This high-level braking smoothly slows the machine down to the safest stop possible. The RoGator C-Series, still the industry leader in drive system efficiency and innovation, and always serious machinery for serious results.